So, I'm just too damn fat to play that game and walking that far. I only went like a mile, maybe two at most, and it was all downhill. And I'm not gonna say I didn't. I don't know. I felt like I was gonna die on the way back. I mean, not really. I know that because I did it, I will feel awesome later. But right now, I'm hurting puppy. I'm sweating through everything. But I think I got some nice pictures. Shot a little footage. Maybe I'll have a story to tell. Yes. A lot of people walking around. And they were nice enough to make sure that I wasn't dying on the side of the trail. Because, tickling 400 pounds. I'm a big fat ass. But it doesn't stop me from going out and doing stuff. Because that's the problem. People tend to, they start hurting and they stop. When I start hurting, I push through and keep going. And look at this. Look at this happy little West Coast couple. Probably friends. Could be lovers. Californication. Just saying. Not that there's anything wrong with that.